Hi, my name is Michael Burgis and I'm an attorney. I wanted to take a brief moment to go over a common violation I'm seeing that most employees don't really understand and I get a lot of questions on. This is wage and hour issues. And I wanted to go over a typical violation of improper overtime payment. So let me explain. Let me give an example. I find this is the best to illustrate this. Let's say somebody makes $10 an hour and when they work overtime, they make time and a half. So they make $15 an hour. What I see happening a lot is when an employee earns bonuses, safety bonuses, performance bonus, sales bonuses, shift differential, maybe the graveyard earns a different premium, any type of bonus or increase in payment in addition to your hourly wage leads to problems I see all the time, because what happens is they're still paying the $15 an hour, but if you really add up all of those other bonuses that you get and all those other perks, those are really income, and that should be included on your base rate. So instead of making $10 an hour, you really did make $12 an hour. So instead of $15 an hour, you may have you should have been paid $3 more an hour. Now you go back 4 or 5 years and you add all those up, and it's a substantial amount of money owed. Okay, so one of the typical violations I see is when bonuses are not being included in the base rate, when shift differentials are not being included in the base rate. If you get any sort of bonus, it's very important. All I need to do is review a timesheet and I can see if you're being paid accurate. So if you think that you're potentially not getting proper overtime, feel free to give us a call. The number's below. The employer needs to see if they can make reasonable accommodations. Now, typical violations are when an employer doesn't talk to you at all, doesn't even engage in an individual